Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nkem, and I have another beautiful wig for you guys. This is a braided wig, guys, and it's from wigera. Now this unit came in this beautiful box. It's a black beautiful box, and they sent a headband. They sent a headband, they sent a pair of lashes, eyelashes, and this cap here. And this is the unit, how it was packaged. You have a satin bag here where you can store the wig. The unit is a 100% premium Japan made synthetic fiber, lightweight fashion, easy wear and comfortable wig. Now this unit is so light, but let me just show you guys what it looks like. So this is a package. You just open it and you bring out the wig. This unit is a 14-inch unit, guys, and the beads are just beautifully designed there. You guys can see how neat the unit is. The braids are so neat and it is light. Now with this unit, you don't need a wig cap to wear this. Like, you don't need to lay down, you don't need a glue to wear this, you don't need to do the ball cap method to wear this. I'm just showing you guys the details of this braided wig. It is beautifully done and very neat, guys. Also, it is lightweight, and here is a band that came with this wig. Now with this band, the wig is super secure. You can adjust it to whatever size you want to adjust it to, and also it has an adjustable strap as well. And this lace blend and fit any skin type. And inside the wig they have 3 combs, 2 by the sides and 1 under. You guys see when I said that you don't need a wig cap, or you don't need to do the ball cap method to wear this wig because of the construction of the wig cap inside. You guys see that you don't need to wear any kind of cap. You just have to just throw it on your head and you are good to go. And the good part is that they left some baby hair that you can, rock with and just make your wig look so natural. These are the baby hairs at the front, and I'm going to put on a wig cap on my sister and start with the installation. It is not necessary for you to wear a wig cap, but I'm just doing it so that the combs will not get in the way in her hair, get stuck to her hair while I'm wearing this wig on her. So that's why I'm just putting on the wig cap so the combs does not stick to her hair. So you don't need to do the butt cap method, and you don't need any form of glue. The wig is so secured, and I'll be showing you that in this video. So right now I'm just putting it on her head, and I'm using the band alone to wear this wig on her. I've already gone ahead to cut out the lace net at the front, also trimmed out the baby hair before I start the installation. Now you guys can see how tight it is on her head. It's even difficult pulling it to her head. That's because the band is very tight. I adjust it to her head size, and you can adjust it to your head size as well, just anyhow you want it to be, and it just stays so secured and firm. It's not going anywhere. You guys can see the way she was checking her head, it's not going anywhere, guys. So right now I'm just going to do some swoop at the front, just do some design at the front, and that is just it, guys. So when you get this wig, you do not have to do any type of work. All you just have to do is straight on your head, lay down the baby hair, and off you go. That's easy, guys. It is so easy. And this wig is also very cheap. It is less than $100. This is quality wig here for less, okay? And it is lightweight, it is beautiful, the color, everything about this wig, guys. When you get it, you do not need to do the butt cap method to wear it. You don't need any form of glue to wear it. Just throw it on your head and just style the baby hair the way you want to style it, and you are good to go. It is that easy. I'm going to leave all details of this unit in my description box. Please, guys, if you've watched to this point of this video and you've not subscribed to my channel yet, kindly hit the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. Also give me a thumbs up, leave your comment in the comment section, and share this video with your friends.
It's been a roller coaster, but you stayed. And now I'm taking over for the day. Cause I can be what you wanna be. And I can feel, but you laugh at me. Take me to a place I'm calling for. Open up the doors I'm knocking on. I'm losing control. Be the one to leave my fantasy. Show you, baby, your hands all over me. No, I'll never let go. 'Cause now I'm falling for love. Now I'm falling for love. Now I'm falling for you. 'Cause now I'm falling for love. Now I'm falling for love. Now I'm falling for you. And I'm losing my mind for the days. 'Cause you and I will never fade. And I could be what you wanna be. And I can feel, but you.
I'm just using my concealer on the line just to make it, really sharp and nice. So that's what I'm just doing here, and you guys can see that the unit is gorgeous, guys. The color, the length, like everything about this unit is on point, guys. You guys can see how beautiful this wig is. The baby hair, the wig itself, like everything about this unit, guys, is gorgeous. And here you guys can see that it is done without any form of glue, so it is for everybody. If you want it longer, I think you can get it. If you want it longer, if you want it a lot more shorter than this, it is also available. You can also get it if you want it more shorter than this. And these are just like a closer shot of what you get. You guys can see how neat it is, and the details of the wig, the beads at the ends, they are just neatly done. Guys, this unit is a good one. So I'm gonna see you all in my next video. I love you guys. Bye.